Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. As you can see on screen, I have planned this beautiful card. It's a triple layer card and I have designed it in my brother scan and cut machine. This card you can make otherwise also with rule if you don't have that machine. Please stay tuned in this video. I will explain you how you can do that. Let's get started with our card. For our card base, I have already cut 12 by 6 inch paper to make a 6 by 6 card. I have scored it from the center at 6 inch mark. And for layer and card base, I have made another video also in detail. I will link it somewhere on the screen. You can go there and check. So this is on this design also. I have made this a video on my channel how I have designed this on my brother scan and cut machine or canvas workspace. So I will link that as well on the screen. You can go there and check how I have made it, and I have cut these design to decorate it, the paper in square and few things more. Let's get started with the video. In the video you will see how I will do it. I will explain one by one how I have cut it and how I am doing it. So let's get started with stamping first. So here I have taken my cardstock on which I have to stamp my sentiment. I am using VersaFine black ink for my sentiment. It is a pigment ink. I have stamped my sentiment there and I am using my embossing powder to emboss this sentiment. It's a black Nova embossing powder, and I am just removing bits there if it is outside the sentiment to clean up the area. And now I am heating my sentiment, embossing it with my heat gun, so that I am using this embossing powder on black because it gives more rich look. If I give a plain black sentiment, it looks little dull, but when we emboss it with same black embossing powder, it really give a rich look. So here I am doing my another sentiment with the same way. I am using the same ink, VersaFine pigment ink, and I am embossing stamping my sentiment there, and I am using the same Nova embossing powder there, and I am heating it, and we are done with that. Now let's assemble our card there. So for the first base layer, I am flipping my card layers and putting my first layer of the colored card, the pink one, like so. I'm attaching so that it shows from the window like this, and the other one I am placing it on the second window. I have just put some mark to place it on the center, so I'm just first erasing it, and now that way I am gluing it. I am getting a wiggle room with my glue so that I can just shift here and there my sentiment to place it on the center. Let's now decorate the top of my layer. I have cut these square in 1/2 inch, and I am placing those square in the border of 1 inch in a way that it places in the center. So it's a very nice and quick way to decorate your front. You can decorate it any which way you want. You can emboss these, you can color these, and there are many more ideas you can play. You can put flowers there, paper flowers, anything. So this is how I am placing this sentiment there. And on the third layer I have cut this design from my Big Shot machine, and I'm placing it there. If you don't have anything like this, you can you can use your imagination. You can put somebody's picture also there, whoever you want to give. If you are giving this card to your friend, or so, you can put your picture and his picture or her picture there. Or you can, if you are making an anniversary card, you can always use your husband's and wife picture there. So many ways you can use that area. And here I have planned to put ribbon there to give little rich look. So it looks, ribbon always looks nice. So I am just placing it on the center and gluing it on the back with my double-sided tape. So this is how I have designed it. I hope it is clear to you. If you are liking this video, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload my new videos, you will get the notification and you will watch my videos as soon as I download it. So please, I am not selling anything in this channel. My only motive is to give and spread this knowledge to you guys. So please subscribe and learn as much as you can. So here for inside sentiment, I am placing 2 hearts, the same color of the card, and decorating it inside, placing the sentiment. So I am just putting the double-sided tape, and you can see on the back side I have already messed with my sentiment off the camera, so I didn't throw that card. I am using it. I used it the other way around, and you can use these things. Nobody can see behind, right? So you can use your paper like this. So I have placed my top sentiment with glue gun, and we are almost done with our layer. Let's place it on our card base. So now I am taking this, I'm thinking of doing it this way, vertical way. So I am putting my glue gun there, and this is how you can place. I'm just taking glue there, and I am placing my card like so on the front, and I'm just pressing it really hard to just glue it very well, and I am burnishing it with my bone folder. So this is how it looks, the final look of the card. For inside also you can match your card layer inside out. So for that I have already done the layer of my papers, cardstock and the color paper layer. So let's like so in my giving some border around. So let's glue it inside to finish our card. So I am placing my first layer like this, and the white layer on top of it. So you can write any sentiment, anything your wishes, or you want to write something for the person you are giving this card to, so you can do that there inside. So this is how we have finished our card there. So if you like the video, please hit that like button, and I will be making these kind of amazing and beautiful cards for you in this journey. So I would like you to subscribe my channel and appreciate if you like it with that like button, and please comment below if you have any questions, and I have given an email address also there, so you can always write whatever you want to know from me. And this is what we have got, a crafted beauty there. So thank you so much for staying there till the end, and I hope I have explained you quite well how you can do this. And for those who don't have machine, please take a ruler and put marks. The first square is 6x6, the second square is 4x4, and the third square is 2x2. Take that measurement, put the markings, and cut from your paper cutter. So thank you, and I will come back with you with the new video soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.